I'm Jeff Packer, and welcome to Jeff's Bookshelf. Everybody always wants to find out what I'm reading next, and every once in a while I run across a book that I feel like is worth referring. Well, today is just not one of those days. The book that I'm reviewing today is actually called Overachievement, and it's by John Elliott. The unfortunate part about Overachievement is that in terms of its literary content, it is a serious underachievement. Well, the book is at times very difficult to follow, and if you're into human performance or personal performance at all, you're accustomed to reading more, let's just say slightly diluted books that tend to be easier to follow, well, this is just not one of them. It's not a very practical book, and it deals with a lot of issues that are really kind of forward-thinking in their own right, but tend to be a little difficult to follow on the day-to-day tip. In terms of Overachievement being a recommended book on Jeff's Bookshelf, I would have to say that, well, you do better to take what you would have paid for this book and actually invest it in, say, I don't know, AIG stock? Overachievement, a definite underachievement, a thumbs down on Jeff's Bookshelf, and a definite not read. Won't make it up shelf. Till we see it next time, you can visit my website at business101radio.com for more information on the latest books and news on business. Thanks.